Hello, good morning. We're gonna taste a fuckload of chips now. I kind of want to. These are the ones that Elaine said that she licks first.
Okay.
So I think we should do that.
Okay.
Like lick.
Well, let's get licking.
Walker's crispy roast chicken.
So wait, I think we should back up first of all.
Oh yeah.
Like the reason we're doing this is because we're in Scotland right now. We went to the grocery store the other day and realized that like the chip game or crisp game as they are here is just like insane compared to what's going on in the US. Like back in the States there's whatever 4, 5, 6 different kinds of chips, you know, your basic
salt and vinegar,
sour cream and
onion,
barbecue,
bullshit.
You know, yeah, like just basic potato chips. But here there's just like dozens of crazy flavors that like you would never imagine. I mean, just quickly, we'll kind of
haggis
like
and
prawn cocktail,
and sweet chili,
red pepper. You know, we got haggis. Yeah, we got salt and Chardonnay wine vinegar crisps, roast beef. You know, mango red chili and chutney or whatever.
Whatever the fuck.
So there's yeah.
Well, and he had taken a fuckload of photos of them, and I just posted them to just be goofy and be like, look at all these, you know, chip flavors, and I got like, you know, 20 plus messages from people who are very, very passionate crisp lovers, and I don't think I've ever posted anything that elicited like such a response.
So we decided we needed to try some. So we didn't get all of them, but we got whatever, half a dozen or so.
4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8.
We got 8. So yeah, we're gonna try 8 different chips here.
Oh, actually we had 9. I ate a bag of Walker's salt and vinegar last night because Claire had told me to make a sandwich, buttered white bread with a packet of salt and vinegar crisps in, so I did that.
And they were good.
It was
but
really good.
We all know what salt and vinegar is, so that's...
It was the making the sandwich part.
Yeah.
That was fucking delicious.
No, I'm sure, yeah.
Oh my god.
Anyway, what do we got here?
Well, now we're gonna lick. So one of the suggestions was from beloved
Dear Elaine.
Dear Elaine, who described these very sexually and said that they're so poppin' that she takes them and licks them, and then so anyway.
Here we go. This is the roast chicken?
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, they don't look that. Really, Elaine?
Oh, the broken one.
Oh, I get it. Oh, yeah. Oh, I get that. You should do it. I get doing that.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's like Thanksgiving stuffing. Oh, I get having that experience. Right? It literally tastes like Thanksgiving stuffing. Like it just says roast chicken, but it's like more than that.
That's good.
Fuck those. That would be good in a sandwich.
Yeah.
With chicken on it.
Yep.
Do we have any chicken? Fuck, we should have chicken.
I don't know. Okay.
Fuck the
I like that.
What's in these? Onion powder, garlic powder. It's sage. That's probably the stuffing.
Right.
I love that roast chicken seasoning.
Right. Okay.
11 out of 10.
Thumbs up. It's good stuff.
Huge fan. These weird me out. The shrimp flavored ones. They say prawn.
Supreme prawn cocktail.
Prawn over here, so it somehow it's shrimp. That sounds way more gross. Shrimp flavored chips. Let's just call them what should we lick?
Before we go,
should we lick these?
I suspect it's gonna taste more like when it's like shrimp cocktail. So it's gonna have some of the like cocktail sauce flavor, like the spicy tomato-y cocktail sauce flavor too.
Okay, I think to be real chip connoisseurs, that was such a good idea licking them. I think you really get. I think to be sommeliers, we should lick each chip and like assess the seasoning.
Okay.
I get more of a sour cream and onion.
Yeah, it's not as good as the roast chicken.
I do get, I guess, a hint of like ketchup-y cocktail.
Yeah.
Like you just said.
I mean, okay, fair enough. It kind of just tastes like ketchup.
Yeah. Magnificent chip. Incredible texture. Walker, fuck yeah. It's not like this tells you anything, but ain't no shrimp in it.
I mean, of course not.
Tomato powder, paprika, and sweetener. So totally fucking ketchup.
Yeah, it just tastes like ketchup chips. Which is funny, they actually have ketchup chips at the store too that we saw. We didn't get
I
them.
wonder if these taste different. Like, do these taste more like cocktail sauce if you tasted them side by side?
Probably. These do have a more hint of a cocktail sauce. But yeah. Doesn't taste like shrimp cocktail, it just tastes like cocktail sauce.
I'm gonna say 8 out of 10. I was quite taken with the flavor of the roast chicken.
Definitely the chicken one was better.
Okay.
I mean, whatever.
Let's do Monster Munch, and I got the roast beef flavor. I don't know if there's different flavors actually. Oh, these are corn snacks.
Oh, these are Walkers also.
Well, these came recommended with the Watsits.
Okay.
Ooh, they smell funny. They smell like dog treats. Oh fuck! Look at these fuckers. What even is this? What's the shape of this?
Like a hand?
Oh, like a paw or something?
Yeah. Okay.
That's gimmicky as shit.
Whatever.
Lick it. Oh, that tastes like fucking roast beef.
Yeah, it does.
That tastes like a Sunday roast. Ooh, that's pretty good.
At first I didn't like it, but like it grows on you.
It has the textural experience of like a cheese puff. Oh yeah. I like the seasoning a lot.
Okay. All right. I'm on board.
Yeah. Monster Mash.
Yeah. Thumbs up.
Okay, and they were recommended with Watsits. I got really cheesy. Oh, these are also corn. I love cheese puffs. I like corn. Oh, they're little cheese puffs.
Oh. It's kind of boring.
He said that's kind of boring. Yeah, I love them.
Okay. I mean, sure. It's just like your basic cheese puff.
That's so funny. I never would have known well, there's on the bag, there's a picture of a sandwich.
Like a grilled cheese?
So I wouldn't have known,
Or
no, there's
whatever.
lettuce.
Oh,
I wouldn't have known these were like cheese puffs. Can I have the whole bag? Is the whole bag like a reasonable serving? Yeah. Oh, I love that.
Great.
Anyway.
I mean, they're good, but
I'm
they're
a
just...
bigger cheese puff fan, so...
They're not anything like novel. Like, you can totally get that in the US, so it's not like, whoa, that's crazy. I never had that before.
Okay, Gemma said these were gonna nip my lips. So let's see, sea salt and Chardonnay wine vinegar crisps with the sea salt and Chardonnay white wine vinegar seasoning. Labeled as being irresistible. So, I'm not gonna lick these because they're vinegar.
Right.
That seems a little crazy.
I'm not really getting the Chardonnay.
No.
They kind of just taste like salt and vinegar chips.
They're really good.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're nipping my lips. Maybe I'm a little more hardcore.
I mean, they're fine for what they are,
Oh.
but they're not like anything like that I, haven't experienced. They taste just like salt and vinegar chips to me.
I like these things. Okay. Papadums, mango, and red chili chutney. I'm gonna lick these. They look pretty insane. Oh, these are interesting. Ooh. Ooh, they definitely taste like Thai food.
That's pretty good.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, the texture is so fun. It's like those air popped,
Yeah.
Ooh, these are fucking good.
Okay.
Shit. Yeah, hell yeah.
Lockers again, man.
Yeah. Man, they do all kinds of shit.
Bringing the heat.
Someone said Tyrells.
Tyrells, I think.
Not to be pedantic. Fucking asshole. Someone said these were like the best brand. And we got sweet chili and red pepper. These look nice this season. I'm gonna lick these. I'm listening to the palate cleanser. Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I like these.
I like how light. They're very light and thin.
These are good. These are real good.
Shit, yeah. And they're like a tiny bit spicy, but also like a tiny bit sweet. I guess like sweet chili.
And red pepper. These might be my favorite. These are really good.
I'm glad we got a big bag of these too. Fuck yeah.
Wow.
Fuck yeah. I think this is a clear winner.
Yeah, for
You
sure.
want to talk about these? Funny
Yeah, I do.
ones?
So also, we've already opened these, but these are like haggis and cracked black pepper flavor.
Which is so funny because they're vegan.
I know, which is funny. It's like there's no haggis in here.
Ooh, like there was no shrimp. LOL. Tell people about haggis.
Well, hold on.
Obviously.
So I want to taste one.
Oh, damn, these are good.
I like these actually. I mean,
I don't like them.
they're fine. I guess they taste like haggis, for the most part. Which is funny because it's like if you like the flavor of haggis but aren't super keen on the idea of eating, sheep lungs and intestines and whatnot, you can sort of have a similar experience. But
I think if you've never had haggis, it just sounds so disgusting. But it's really not.
no, it's not.
Very delicious.
It is. Yeah, particularly for people who aren't Scottish, the notion of haggis is generally pretty off-putting. Like it's literally, lungs and the guts, organ meat. But magically, I don't know what kind of voodoo seasoning they came up with, but they figured out a super clever way to make it taste really good and like texturally be good. And so, yeah, because in the past we've tried to cook organ meat and have it taste good, and there's just no getting around the taste. You can do whatever. We've tried all kinds of different things, and it's just you eat it, and it's just you're eating organ meat, and you can totally tell, and it's gross. So like when I came here, I kind of wanted to try this because I'd heard about it, but it was I just figured it was going to be gross like any other kind of organ meat we've had. So but somewhere along the way, somebody figured out an amazing way to season it and prepare it in such a way that you would never know in a million years what you were eating. And they're super clever, and I have to give them respect for that because, good job, Scots. So, anyway, haggis chips, pretty good. I like them. Not as good as these, the sweet chili and red pepper, but this is not the first time I've bought these, so I guess I like them on some level.
I did really, really like the roast chicken ones too.
Yeah.
I thought that flavor was...
Yeah. Maybe we'll get some other ones from the store, because they have a whole bunch of other flavors that we didn't buy. If we can manage to eat all these, I don't know, that might be stupid. But
stupid.
Maybe we'll do a round 2 later on.
We have 7 days to eat these.
Okay.
I think that's...
All right.
I can do that.
All right. Anyway.
Bye.
Bye.